you're somebody else's guy.
Hello guys, welcome to Vondessa J. Today guys, we are working on my front porch. We are doing the front yard appeal. And yes, spring has sprung. And the pollen in Georgia is really bad right now. So I want to go ahead and get all of my Valentine stuff off my porch. This is all that I had on for Valentine's, just very simple. But I want to go ahead and wipe down my porch, clean down my porch, get it ready for, yes, the part 2. So this is going to be part 1, and this is the clean down. And boy, do we have a lot to clean down. I need to pull out my little patio chair. We need to give it a new spruce of paint. We'll really change the color of the paint because I want my porch to have a very much so sparkle. So here I am going to wash down my door, all of the siding, all of the brickwork. And guys, from the last time I did this, and I think it was the fall, when I said the pollen was so bad and the door frame was so nasty, so I was glad that it was during this time that I can get all of this done. And afterward, guys, it was absolutely so nice and so clean.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'ma sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see it's true. I hope that you see it's true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. You tell me I feel work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, I'm in the cash from my
Yeah, okay, you need to get done and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done and you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place.
So this is the piece that I will be putting back on my front porch. But of course, if you look at it, oh my gosh, she really needs a serious spruce up. But I got to spray it down because guys, the pollen, all of these pillows are so deep. And yes, your girl was sick after this, but nevertheless, I'm back up, I'm moving, I'm good. But this is my last year with these pillows, guys, because I was gonna do a paint job to them, but I was like, I don't know if I really want to do that. But nevertheless, it was time for a paint job for this chair. So I am using Bear, and it is definitely white, so I really want it bright. So here I am going to spray it all white. It was white originally, then it was black, then it was brown, but now because I want this pop color with my theme, I decided that I want it as white as I possibly can get it. So this Bear, I used probably about a half a can because I did probably about 4 or 5 coats to it. I wanted to make sure that the white was going to be very much so what it needed to be, and at the beginning and the end, it did do what I needed it to do.
What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You tell me I feel why. You see me do my da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la. When you catch from my
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, if you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
Now at this point, the chair was dry, so I started putting a few little pieces in place. I really wanted to see what it was gonna look like, and that white, guys, it is doing its job. I didn't want to touch the chair fully because I didn't want to put my fingerprints or anything in it. So see the cushions, I think definitely this is the last year. I don't know, with part 2 I might spray them, I don't know, but for right now I'm just gonna leave it as is because we don't sit out here. So guys, at this point, please do go ahead and subscribe. I do have a part 2 and it is decorating, so please do like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, and I see you in part 2.
No shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be a perfect day.